Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's our first example, example A, which deals with viral marketing. Viral marketing, as you see, is the goal of getting viewers to share a video so that more and more people will watch it. And modeling that requires an exponential function. So if we're examining the scenario, we see that there are 100 people that are seeing this video on day 0. 100 people on day 0 means our initial value, our A, will be 100 people. That is our initial value. We know that each day, this 100 people on that first day is expected to show it to, send the video to 5 people. And then the next day, they will all send it to 5 more people. So our B value, our factor of exponentiation, will be 5. Well, 5 is greater than 1. So this will be growth. We will be modeling a growth function. Okay. So to create our function, we're asked the question, how many people can be expected to have seen the video after 10 days? So it sounds like we're dealing with a time of 10 days. So let's go ahead and use a variable for t to represent time in days. And we're asked to know how many people. So we can use another variable. We'll use v for number of viewers. How many people have seen the video? So if we write this function, we know that v of t, because our function is based on time, okay? All exponential functions, as you recall, any exponential function, f of x, as we said in the last video, has to be in the format of a, the initial condition, times the factor raised to the variable. So in this case, our a, our initial value is 100 people. Our factors, what is changing? It is changing 5 new people every time. So our b value is 5, and our variable is t. So our function will be v of t is equal to 100 times 5 to the t. But that's not the question we're asked to. We're asked to find after 10 days. So t will be 10. So, therefore, we're going to look for v of 10. So 100 times 5 to the 10th. If we calculate that, v of 10 comes out to 976,562,500 people. So you can see the power here of viral advertising. 100 people initially. 5 new people, each of those to 5 new people, each of those to 5 new people. So therefore, after 10 days, 976 million people can be expected to have seen this video. And remember, we also must respond in the context of the scenario. So we're going to answer our question using answer. After 10 days, it can be expected that 976 million people, I'm going to go ahead and approximate this because at this significant number, The 976 million is the main part. So after 10 days, it can be expected that 976 million viewers have seen the video. And there, ladies and gentlemen, we have modeled, using an exponential function, a real-world scenario, and use that to answer a question. Thank you.